welcome back to Autohaus of Naples. I'm Victoria, and today we have this beautiful navy blue 2013 Maserati Quattroporte. It only has 10,000 miles and it's over 10 years old, so it's practically brand new, driven only about 1,000 miles a year. I cannot wait to get into this, but before we do, can you please follow our Instagram, our Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell for notifications on future videos just like this one. Let's get into it. All right, so today we have a 2013 Maserati Quattroporte, and this is the final year of the legendary 5th generation. This is the last one of the naturally aspirated Ferrari V8 engines. So that makes it really special. And when you look at the front, you're greeted with this beautiful large front grille with the trident design. It's really beautiful. And these headlights as well, they're in really great condition, no fogging, and they kind of have like a little boomerang shape, which is cool. And if you notice the body lines on the hood, it really makes the car look really sporty and luxurious. This car weighs about 4,400 pounds, but every line suggests speed and elegance rather than bulk. Immediately when you are looking at the side of this vehicle, you notice what makes a Maserati. Those 3 side air vents right there, they're on all the cars. It's been around since the 1940s, which is pretty cool. And it is a 207-inch long car, but everything flows really well. Even the door handles look like they're seamlessly put on the car. It's just a really high-end European luxury car. Right here we have 20-inch wheels. They're absolutely gorgeous. Nice navy blue brakes to match the exterior. Another trident on the side as well. And then moving to the back, you're greeted with what might be my favorite part of the vehicle. I really like these triangular C-pillar taillights. They're really nice, paired with the quad exhaust on the bottom. It looks just super seamless. You don't really have that gap underneath where the exhaust is. I'm going to pop the hood for you so you can see what we are working with under here. I can find it.
One eternity later.
All right, so you're met with this beautiful engine bay. It is in really amazing condition. It looks like it was just cleaned, honestly. That is your naturally aspirated Ferrari V8 engine right here. I really like the red around the engine. Seems really nice. All right, so now I'm going to show you the inside. So off the bat, when you open the door, you're met with luxury. You're met with this amazing turtle steering wheel. It's like wood. And we have navy blue touches on all over the car, on the speed gauges, on the floor, on the seats, everywhere, which I really like. You don't really see navy blue that much in cars. And this beautiful cream seats, they look white, but they are actually cream. And the entertainment center is really nice. I'm going to turn on the car so we can hear it and see all the electronics. Starts up really nice. Seats are in amazing condition for a 10-year-old car. The dash is in amazing condition. Everything looks spotless. This looks like it was sitting in a garage for a long time and was just a fun little Sunday car they would use. The roof and all of the top is all suede. Even these handles right here, you can see they're very nice and luxurious with leather. You have this net in the back to hold some extra stuff. And then the back row just looks super comfortable. Also, there's a sunroof, which everyone loves a good sunroof. So that is amazing. Sounds really good. I hear the V8 really well. And I think it's pretty fast, honestly. you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you want to see this beauty in your driveway, go to autohausfl.com. We have an amazing selection of vehicles, as you can see, from AMGs to Lotuses to BMWs, Corvettes, anything. And as always, don't forget to follow our Instagram, our Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications and like this video.